So I'm working on the trunk latch on the Nissan Versa Note today. So we have the trunk latch sitting on the trunk lid here. There's three 10mm bolts that hold it on, but we have to disconnect all of the wiring. This one's a little tricky because there's all these little spots that we have to disconnect, and we've got to take this plastic panel off first. I use a metal tool in the salvage yard, but you want to use plastic pry tools, and just be really careful as you go around to not break any of the clips underneath. So just replace them if they get stuck up in the body or, kind of come loose as you're removing them. But yeah, this came off a little easier than this normally does. Okay, so you can kind of see the actuator hidden underneath here. It's right back here, and then there's a 10mm bolt that you need to remove in order to loosen that up. But the one thing that I do is that I go around and loosen all these clips. There's one here, there's one here, and I think that there are a couple more. This, I think, holds the cable. There's a metal cable that goes from the latch all the way up to the handle, and that's hidden back in here. Now this is the main part of the job. That's the tricky part. You want to release that here. So you just pull up on that. It kind of comes out like that. Just be careful with that so you don't break the plastic right there. And then this will allow the latch to come out from away from the body. And then that's held into the place here. I think there's one more clip in here. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, there's there's this one back in here, just that. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 clips. So I'm just going to go ahead and loosen all of those. I have kind of this flat pliers that I use to go around and work those out. I got this at Harbor Freight. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed. Sometimes your thumbnail works too. Yeah, just squeeze that with my fingernails. So that loosens up the wiring harness. I don't think you need to unplug this. Sometimes I do. Okay, so we're going to take out those bolts. Okay, so the latch you're just going to work it out. It should hang down here with the wires. And the first thing you'll do is disconnect things here. You'll see now the wire for the handle comes in on this side, so you're going to be pulling up on that. And then that spins out on this side. You'll see it when you get to it. And then the one electrical connector is unplugged here. You just press up on that. And then the actuator is plugged in on the back here. It's kind of hidden. Okay, so that's the plug for the actuator. So that just comes out, and the last thing to do is that last metal piece spins around, and you'll just work it out. I might need both hands for this guy. Okay, so that's it. There is the latch. This is the powered version, and that big white piece is the actuator. I think that there are 2 part numbers at Nissan for these, one for the latch, one for the actuator. There's a non-powered version that just has this latch. I will put both those part numbers in the listing, as well as links to eBay. We'll see you next time.